Hi, my name is Ian Pressmack. This is my project number 2. For the save and loading for the pet data, I use OString to save the data into savefile.txt, and I use ifstream to put the data back into the app using savefile.txt. And then my main pet class is this one. It contains all the default functions and also has the variables that hold data that are protected, so that way the other the other classes derived from this can use them. Speaking of those, we have Charmander, the Charmander class. Oh no, we have the Charmander class derived from the pet class, and then we have the Bulbasaur, also derived from the main pet class, and the Squirtle class, also derived from the main pet class. Each of them have a special ability, such as Squirtle's Energize, which will go twice as fast as, which will energize the Pokemon twice as fast than Bulbasaur and Charmander. And Charmander will increase happiness twice as fast as the other two, and then Bulbasaur will get fed faster than both of those two. These are the user interactions. The play will increase their happiness by 1, but it will decrease their hunger and energy by 1. Their feed will increase by 1, will increase their fullness by 1, and then their energy will increase by 1. And then we have the skip hour function, which will increase energy by 2, but will decrease their hunger and happiness by 1. And it will also output a message saying whether to take care of them before they leave in case their happiness or hunger is too low. They also each have their own pixel art, which I will now demonstrate now by using the app. So since we're starting a new game, we'll just do a new game. We will choose, it gives us 3 options: Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander. We will choose Bulbasaur. We can give Bulbasaur a nickname. I'll give him the name Harry Potter. Now here he is, Harry Potter. And now we have our menu option. It will continue to loop until we quit. So let's try and get into level 10. And now he's evolved into Ivysaur. But now it's saying he's sad, so let's play with him. And now we can no longer play with him because he's hungry and needs his energy up. So let's energize him. Now before we head to level 20, let's save and quit, and I will show how the loading data works. So now we'll press continue, and now Harry Potter is still here, and now we can feed him, and he evolves into Venusaur. Now he's back to being sad. So this is the end game of the program. So you can either continue to get to level 100 in all stats, or just make a new one. And that's my app. Thank you for listening, and I hope you can enjoy this app as much as I did.